Hi, everybody, and welcome to our dissertation course. I am Dr. Melanie Shaw, and I'm going to be your chair in this process. We are going to be allowing you the opportunity to be an independent scholar as you produce your dissertation research. There'll be lots of steps, lots of twists and turns and surprises along the way, but I'm here to guide you at every turn. Please note that the dissertation can be very frustrating and oftentimes feel very lonely. Don't let this be discouraging to you. Please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here for you anytime, just an email or a phone call away. You'll note that in our course there are weekly participation requirements. Please make sure that you are posting me a note, letting me know what you're working on. If you have something for me to review, please post that and I will be happy to provide a review for you. Throughout the class, you will also be submitting to the doctoral record where we will be getting feedback from the committee. So please heed my guidance about that. And even if something is not necessarily complete, like a completed chapter, I may still ask you to submit so that we can get iterative feedback along the way. In terms of the IRB process, you'll be using IRB Manager, and that is a very intuitive, easy to navigate process. Be sure to review our course materials. Be sure to look in the Commons and find all of the resources that you need to help understand the dissertation journey, and I look forward to being your partner in the process. See you online.